Web 2.0 is a term that you may have heard, but it's something that you need to know about. It's part of your Internet Warrior toolkit. Leveraging the Web 2.0 world is a way for you to get more traffic, more sales than you ever dreamed of. Allow people to add content to your website. Allow them to share your video. Allow them to send your articles around. Ask to, have sites linked to you, because that type of Web 2.0, that type of co-opetition is what builds you more than you could ever do by spending money on advertising or spending your own resources or efforts. Let the internet and the technology and the crowds work for you. That's what being an Internet Warrior is about. It's about leveraging all the things that are out there and using those to your advantage to further monetize and further build your property. That's what's going to change your lifestyle, and that's what's ultimately going to mean that you created something of value.
So I'm here with Mike Zaplin. We call him Zappy. I've known him for 10 years. I guess I would describe his skill set as he's got a sniffer for the URLs that really have potential. And what he's been able to do is buy and sell URLs as a business in its own right and start to build out some of the content and some of the rich business elements around other URLs, and has made them very successful. But for you, if you could concentrate on just one URL, you could turn it into a business that would change your life.
Learn more about how to grab your piece of the $50 billion internet marketing pie at InternetWarriorVideo.com.